Friends, gather round because we're about to delve into the wild world of tax reform, a topic so thrilling it makes watching paint dry feel like a rave. In a move that surprised absolutely no one familiar with his penchant for dramatic pronouncements, former President Trump has thrown another wrench into the gears of American governance. This time, it's a doozy. He's proposing to abolish federal income tax altogether. That's right, you heard me correctly. No more W-2s, no more 1040s, no more desperately trying to decipher the tax code while questioning your life choices. This radical proposal, announced in January 2025, hinges on the creation of the snazzily named External Revenue Service, or IRS. Think of it as the IRS's cooler, more internationally minded cousin. While the IRS was all about collecting taxes from hard-working Americans, the IRS has a different target: foreign corporations and governments. Under Trump's plan, the IRS would generate revenue for the US government through hefty tariffs on imports and other international transactions. It's a bold move, to say the least, and one that has sent shockwaves through the global economy. Now, before you start planning that lavish vacation with all the money you'll supposedly save on taxes, let's pump the brakes a little. While the idea of eliminating income tax might sound like a dream come true, and let's be honest, who among us enjoys forking over a chunk of their hard-earned cash to Uncle Sam? The reality is a bit more complicated. Like a late-night infomercial, this deal might be too good to be true. There are potential downsides, my friends, and we're going to dissect them with the precision of a surgeon performing open-heart surgery on a grape. So, how exactly will this External Revenue Service work? Well, picture this. Instead of shaking down American citizens for every penny they earn, the IRS will be laser-focused on those sneaky foreigners trying to peddle their wares on our shores. Think of it as a financial border wall designed to protect American businesses and workers from the evils of globalization. Under this new system, every time a Chinese-made smartphone, a German-engineered car, or a bottle of French wine crosses our borders, it'll be slapped with a hefty tariff. These tariffs, in theory, will generate enough revenue to fund the government, eliminating the need for pesky income taxes. Now, I know what you're thinking. John, that sounds suspiciously like protectionism, a policy that economists have repeatedly warned against. And you know what? You're absolutely right. But hey, who needs those stuffy economists with their fancy degrees and their pesky facts when you can have a gut feeling and a Twitter account, right? In all seriousness, though, the creation of the IRS and the reliance on tariffs as the primary source of government revenue represents a significant departure from traditional economic policy. It's a gamble, a roll of the dice with the American economy hanging in